Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you some of the key takeaways of the 40 books I've read on money and investing over the last few years. I've been on a quest to learn everything I can about personal finance, and I'm excited to share with you what I've learned. Number 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. So starting with an old favorite, Rich Dad, Poor Dad taught me about money basics. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert is like a game that teaches important money lessons. It's not the kind of stuff that they teach you in school. Kiyosaki makes it simple. There are things that put money in your pocket. He calls them assets. And there are things that take money out. He calls these liabilities. It's a game where you want more things putting money in your pocket and fewer things taking it out. This book is great because it explains this financial game in a way that anyone can understand. It's like learning the rules of a game you never knew you were playing. The cool part is that Kiyosaki's book isn't just a one-time read. It's more like a money mentor. It sticks with you, guiding your financial choices even after you've finished reading. I started seeing money differently, more like a tool I could use wisely. Rich Dad, Poor Dad taught me to focus on things that put money in my pocket, setting me on a path to financial confidence and well-being. Number 2. Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. More from Kiyosaki. Cash Flow Quadrant broadened my understanding of earning money. Unlike the traditional focus on just having a job, Kiyosaki introduces the Cash Flow Quadrant, revealing 4 distinct ways to generate income. It goes beyond the usual employee scenario and explores being self-employed, owning a big business, and engaging in investments. This book opened my eyes to the diverse avenues available for financial success. Kiyosaki represents the 4 quadrants as employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. Each quadrant represents a different approach to making money. The employee relies on a job, the self-employed individual works for themselves, the business owner manages a system or team, and the investor makes money work for them. The book illustrates how individuals can move between these quadrants and diversify their income streams. So, what I learned from this book is that there are more opportunities to earn money than just working a regular job. It made me think about how to create income in different ways. Instead of relying on one source, I started looking for ways to make money work for me, just like the people in the investor quadrant. Number 3. The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. Have you ever dreamt of working less? The 4-Hour Work Week is like a guide to that dream. Tim Ferriss shares tips on how to work smarter, not harder, and living a good life. Imagine not working the usual 9-to-5 job, but having more control over your time. Ferriss introduces the concept of automating your work, outsourcing tasks, and focusing on what truly brings value. It's not about being lazy, it's about being smart with your time. So, what makes this book stand out is Ferriss's own experiences. He shares real stories of people who transformed their lives by implementing the strategies outlined in the book. These stories make the concepts more relatable and show that it's not just theory but something achievable. So, reading this book was more than finding shortcuts. It was about rethinking what success means. Ferriss says success isn't only about working a lot, it's about creating a life that fits your goals and values. This changed how I saw my career and what I wanted in life. Remember, the book doesn't promise instant success. Instead, it guides you on how to live with purpose. Ferriss wants you to question how work and life should be, encouraging a shift towards a happier life. The 4-Hour Work Week taught me I can decide what success looks like for me and make a life that brings happiness. Number 4. The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. M.J. DeMarco's The Millionaire Fastlane is a really helpful book. It taught me about different ways to get rich. The author talks about 3 paths to financial freedom, and the fast lane is the most interesting one. So the book tells you that there are 3 lanes to financial freedom. The slow lane is the regular way, like working a 9-to-5 job. The sidewalk is just going through life without a plan. But the fast lane is about making money work for you. It's like finding ways to make money without working all the time. The author says you shouldn't just work for money, you should make money work for you. This idea really changed how I think about earning money. Instead of just trading time for money, the book encourages you to find ways to make money even when you're not actively working. The book also talks about starting a business or investing. It's not about taking big risks, but about being smart with your choices. DeMarco's book made me see that there are different ways to be successful, and it's not just about working a lot. Reading The Millionaire Fastlane wasn't just about getting rich quick. It was more about changing how I think about money and success. It's like a guide that helps you understand that there are unconventional paths to financial freedom. The book encourages you to think differently, question the usual way of doing things, and find your own way to financial success. Number 5. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich is a powerful book that focuses on the impact of your thoughts. The main idea is simple. If you truly believe in yourself and in the possibility of your wealth, your actions will align with those beliefs. It's like giving your mindset a makeover. The book emphasizes the connection between your thoughts and your success. Hill argues that your beliefs shape your actions and, ultimately, your destiny. If you believe in abundance and your ability to achieve wealth, your actions will reflect that confidence. It's not just about wishing for wealth. It's about cultivating a mindset that drives you to take the necessary steps to attain it. What I found valuable in this book is that it goes beyond financial strategies. It delves into the importance of a positive and focused mindset in achieving success. The author shares practical insights and principles that guide you in developing the right mental attitude for wealth creation. Think and Grow Rich is like having a friend that helps you see the power of your thoughts. It helped me understand how important my mindset is in my journey to success. Number 6. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money feels like a friendly guide helping us figure out how our thoughts affect our money choices. I remember reading it and thinking, not every money success trick works for everyone. I need to understand how I think about money. The book made me see that each person's money journey is different, including mine, and that's totally fine. It made me realize that it's okay to have my own way of thinking about money. I started thinking about how my thoughts match up with my money goals. The book helped me see that my money journey is special, and I don't have to compare it with others. Thinking about my own experiences, The Psychology of Money became more than just a book. It became like a friend giving practical advice. It encouraged me to match my thinking with my money goals and make choices that make sense for my life. It's not just about numbers, it's about knowing myself and how I deal with money. The book has this friendly vibe saying your journey is special and you can handle money in a way that works for you. It's like having a smart friend giving tips as I figure out my own money path. Number 7. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a fantastic book that I personally found incredibly helpful in managing my money wisely. It's like having a friendly guide in your financial journey, offering insights that stand the test of time. What I really liked is how Graham suggests thinking of stocks as owning part of a business, not just pieces of paper that go up and down. This mindset shift helped me focus on long-term success rather than getting stressed by short-term market changes. It's like having a strategy that's built to last. Graham also talks about the difference between investing and speculating. I realized how important it is to be careful and look for good opportunities instead of just hoping for quick wins. This insight has shaped the way I approach my investments. So, whether you're new to investing or have some experience, The Intelligent Investor feels like a friend sharing timeless advice. It's not just about making money, it's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals. I highly recommend it for anyone looking to build a solid foundation for their financial future. I hope these takeaways from the 40 books I've read on money have been helpful. If you're serious about getting rich, then I encourage you to do your own research and find a strategy that works for you. Remember, there's no get-rich-quick scheme. but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.